Hi there, my name is Robert and I'm the MD at MrPrime.com, a full service Amazon agency. So there's a lot of talk lately about Cosmo, AI algorithm, roofers, etc., and how everything's going to die and so forth. And I did write an article about this around 4 months ago when people were saying it would take years to happen. It is happening, but maybe it's not quite what you think. So I wanted to go through and show you my view on it, what I think Cosmo does, how it's important, how to AI optimize your listing. And I'm going to do a live example with that with the tool that I've made to do it. And this is based on many iterations. It's based on a lot of searching in data and looking at what's real and what isn't. There's certain things that are real about Cosmo, and there's certain things that are made up. Anyway, and I wanted to do it in real time to show you the output differences so that you can do it on your listing or contact me and I will do it for you as well. So here we go. So the listing I'm looking at is a famous thing. My daughter's got one of these, the Owler water bottle. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to download the reviews here. So this is with the Helium 10 thing, and we can extract reviews in many different ways, but I'm just going to extract the reviews here. And this is going to take the, obviously all the reviews of this product that we can get from this, and we're going to download them into a CSV file. And what this is going to do is going to show us what people like, what people use the product for, how they use it, etc. So we've got 906 there that we can get. So I'm just going to export those. Next thing, I'm going to the tool that I made. And what this is going to do, it's going to have certain things that are non-negotiable in it. So basically this is stainless steel water bottle. So I'm just going to copy that. That's what it is, product name. Next thing, I'm going to upload that file of reviews that I'm going to put it in there. And third thing, key features and non-negotiables. I'm not going to really put anything in there. I'm just going to put the name, the brand name, because that is a key non-negotiable. So now it's going to forge the listing. Meanwhile, I'm going to actually take this listing, and I haven't tried this yet with this particular listing, and I'm going to just paste it into here. And I've been working on other listings. This is how I've iterated it out, this tool. Not on this listing, by the way. This is completely different. Let's take a new listing and rate this. So put the title in there. And again, this is just basically for title and bullet points. So obviously images and so forth, can be done separately, but this is mainly for titles and bullet points, and it is going to be pretty impactful. So I'm just going to take the title and bullet points, put it in there, and this is going to it's going to rank this overall 8 out of 3 out of 10, use for, and this is how it's ranking it on this ChatGPT, and we can put it into different things, but basically use for function, how it's used for event, used for audience. So these are the things that to include in the listing, basically capable of, what's it used to do, what's it used as, so it's a water bottle, hydration station, gym bottle, etc. Is it what's it used on, used in location, used in body, like it's not applicable, used with, so it could be used with lunchboxes, backpacks, gyms, etc. Used by, and so on. And then it's going to give a score. Now this is 106 out of 140. My tool works on more advanced things than this actually, but I'm just using this to show you, to validate the results of it. So basically now this is the result. And we can compare them, do a sense check of ourselves first of all. Owler, free sip, insulated stainless steel water bottle, dual sip spout, leak proof, stays cold 24 hours, BPA, free, travel friendly. So let's have a look at their one. And this hasn't actually seen this listing, by the way, at all. It's literally looked at the reviews. That's it. So Owler, free sip, insulated stainless steel water bottle with straw for sports and travel, leak proof, BPA, 700 denim. So, okay. Let's have a look here. And then it's got innovative spout, advanced insulation technology, 100% leak proof, ergonomic and portable, effortless cleaning. And then it's got A+ content, but we're not going to even use that, and description there. And then it's got a lot of the down the side, voice of the customer insights, top praises, and common complaints solved. So let's just see now what this thinks of this listing. And I'm not going to put optimized title, take out optimized bullets. I don't want to influence it in any way at all. So let's just put this in here, and let's go this one. And I'm just going to take out the word optimized just so I don't try and suggest anything to it. And let's see how this one rates. This version is your most polished, high-performant variant so far. Clean consumer, optimized, Cosmo aligned, and Amazon A+ listing, ready with high scalability, type benefit, framing, callouts. Let's do a Cosmo match evaluation. So here, the new score, used for audience, capable of, used to, used as. is so we're using that clearly, used on, mentions hottest days, travel, could add gym workouts, commute, so you could even do better on that. Used in location, used by, and now 129 out of 140 average. Title, very short, readable, SEO friendly. Could add 710 for specific indexing. Okay, fair. Bullets, there. So what this listing does best, clarity and structure. So it's very well structured for AI. It's very well structured. It mentions who it's for, what it's used as, and so on very deeply. Final score 9.1, and that's based on the other one. Now, what I want to do here again, rather than just look at this for AI, because obviously it's not just AI that's doing it, I want to now go to Claude and I want to put both listings in. And I want to say rate both of these listings, acting as an Amazon expert and a buyer out of 10. So nothing to do with AI, because we've already got them better for AI. We've already got them more readable for AI. And this is on a very, very top selling listing as well. And we're probably going to convert better on that. I'm pretty confident. But now I want to see what it actually just thinks. Forget about AI. Just what does it think as a listing? So this is the one that we put in there. This is R1, first of all. So we are now version A. Let's see what it thinks of this. Just title and bullet points. Completely objectively, it's never seen anything like this before. I'd rate it 8.5 out of 10. What works well? Clear value, strong benefit, areas for improvement, missing size capacity. That's fair. No social proof, awards or customer satisfaction. Well, bullets maybe are not for that. Color style options unclear. Vibrant style is vague. Fair enough. Price positioning missing. Yeah, we're not really supposed to do that either. But it's did I say Amazon listing? Okay. Well, anyway, that's what it's got there. Let's have a look now for their one. And again, I've not just gone and picked a product that's bad. This is a top selling product. And it might turn out better for all I know. Like, if it does, I'll probably have to pause the video and find something else. But let's see. Now we're going to go here. Now this listing, their original listing, 6.5 out of 10. Okay, that's good. So R1's a lot better. Second listing strength, specific capacity. So it has got the capacity, their listing original one. It has got denim the color. And it has got, and I should have put those in the non-negotiable section, by the way, the capacity and the color. It's got the safety details. Major weaknesses, overly flowery language, less scannable, wall of text versus clear benefit statements. That is so key. That is basically what we are really trying for to make it readable for AI. So the fact that it actually likes it better, and I haven't mentioned AI, is amazing. Weaker technical specs, just as double wall insulation versus vacuum insulated. Marketing fluff over substance. Patented flip spout and dramatic language takes up valuable space. Comparison, first listing, this is R1. 8 out of 5, professional benefit focus, addresses practical needs, better for conversion and customer satisfaction, clear scannable format, focus on real unit benefits. The original listing, this is their one. More creative but less effective. The flowery copy might appeal to some but likely hurts conversion. Harder to extract key information. That is really key. Amazon expert take the first listing proven following ecosystem principles. Second tries too hard to be creative. I'd be more likely to purchase from the first listing. It feels more trustworthy. Great. Now rate them as if you are Rufus, Cosmo, and LLM in quality out of 10. Let's just see what it says about that now. And you can run this through every tool, basically. First listing, this is R1, 9 out of 10, excellent structured data, high search relevance, factual precision, query matching strength, comparison friendly. Second listing, 4 out of 10. Poor data extraction, flowery language, low search utility, terms like epitome of selling liberation don't match real search queries, inconsistent formatting, marketing noise, limited value. Why this matters for AI, we need clean, factual data to provide accurate product recommendations. Structured information helps us answer specific customer questions. Think Rufus. Marketing fluff interferes with our ability to make meaningful product comparisons. Clear specifications enable better filtering. Bottom line, the first listing is AI assistant friendly. It helps us customers make informed decisions. The second listing's creative language actually hurts the shopping experience. Now, for clarity, the one that we did is the top 9 out of 10 one. This is the 4 out of 10 one. And this one has 18,000 reviews, 2,000 units bought in the last month. And it's literally the first one that I picked up. because my daughter has one. I thought I'd go and have a look at it. That is the power of AI. That's the power of looking at the listing tool. It's not just AI listing, it's human listing as well, because a human wants to see who's it for, what does it do, what's the outcome, what's the benefit, where do I use it, how do I use it, and all these things. They speak to AI, but they speak to humans as well. So in 10 minutes, we've got from a 4 out of 10 to a 9 out of 10 for this listing, and I've tried this with hundreds of listings, and I've really iterated this perfectly. So this, this is kind of how it works. And if it can do this for this listing, imagine what it can do for yours. Hope this helps, and interested in your thoughts.